Say hey or hello to interact with me.
Hello.
Welcome to the team robotics. Good to see you, Priya. Do you need information about meeting rooms?
Yes. Yes.
Which room are you interested in? Room 1, room 2, or room 3?
Room 3.
Room 3 is free after 3 pm. Alright, let me know if you need any other assistance.
Yes.
Are you experiencing any technical issues?
Yes. Yes.
What type of issue? Computer related or printer related or network?
Network.
Try restarting your device. If the issue persists, contact IT support. Great. Do you need help with anything else?
No. No.
Have a great day at work. Say thank you to leave.
Thank you.
Thanks for chatting. I am capturing this moment in a photo for future memory. So, please focus on the camera for a few seconds. Face capturing is completed successfully. Thanks for chatting.